印尼华裔小姐伊菲娜 Queen 在印尼 Rising Star Indonesia 学校庆祝农历新年。本次活动以典型的舞狮和小哥哥姐姐为特色。印尼华裔小姐伊菲娜 Queen Rising Star Indonesia 学校的农历新年庆祝活动增添了光彩。作为华裔的象征， Queen 小姐积极参与华人文化活动，其中包括在 Rising Star Indonesia 学校进行的农历新年庆祝。她担任了活动的主持人。此次农历新年庆祝活动中，舞狮表演作为华人文化的传统，也增添了热闹气氛。此外，活动中还举行华裔小哥哥姐姐比赛， Queen 小姐担任评委，并为参赛者加油打气。
大家好，我的名字伊菲娜 Queen Sharon Meko， 我今年13岁，我来到了 Rising Star 学校。I hope that this event could make Chinese culture more diverse and fun, bringing friendship among everyone in different backgrounds to be more stronger. Thank you.
此次农历新年活动旨在让学生们体验华人文化和传统，丰富 Rising Star Indonesia 学校的庆祝活动。
So the purpose of this Lunar New Year celebration is that we celebrate the various cultures at our school. We have an international community, so we want to celebrate the people that have come from various countries and celebrate their heritage and culture. And this, in turn, really builds the community of our school. We want to make sure that people are valued from whatever backgrounds that they have.
作为印尼华裔小姐 Queen 小姐致力于保护华人文化，并将其介绍给学校，同时积极参与所有与华人文化相关的活动。